use Discord for the gaming community runnings. And you're going to see that I have sent an automated message to this Discord community every day at 9 a.m. You can check out the dates too for 26th of December, 25th of December, 24th of December, and so on. I have sent automated messages to my Discord community every day. And yes, you are thinking that I've done this manually by tapping it every day at 9 a.m. No, I used Pabbly Connect, this amazing automation tool, to do this. What I did was I simply scheduled this workflow for every day at 9 a.m. and Google Gemini generated me the amazing message which we're going to send to Discord community. And further we sent it towards them. And yes, in this video I'll show you how you can also set this amazing automation for your own Discord server. So for that you have to open the workflow button inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can send up to 100 of messages for free, and yes, this is true. Alright, so once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. And because you watch our YouTube videos, we have a special discount coupon code for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on your subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So yes, first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, you can definitely purchase it, but don't forget to get a very good discount by using this discount coupon code. So now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for schedule by Pabbly. So we want to schedule this workflow, so that's the reason we have selected the application as scheduled by Pabbly. For the event, selected as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is asking me how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day, so I've selected every day. Now for the time, I'm just going to keep it as 12 p.m. You can select the time according to your own choice. While I created this automation, I selected the time as 9 a.m. but this time I'm selecting it as 12 p.m. It totally depends upon you. And now you have to click on this save and you're going to see that this workflow is scheduled. Now what we have to do is we have to generate some tips and tricks. For that, we're going to use Google Gemini. So click on this add new action step and search for Google Gemini and select Google AI Studio, which is Gemini. Now for the event, select generate content and click on this connect. Now once you click on this connect, you have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created a connection between Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left end of the side, you're going to get this API key by going towards this get API key section. Now you have to click on this create API key button, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create key. Once you click on this create key, your key will be created. So simply copy the key and paste it right over here. After you paste this key, click on this save and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt, in order to generate the tips and tricks. So what we're going to do is I have already entered this prompt right over here and I'm just going to use the same. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. If you also want this prompt, I'm just going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and copy and paste the prompt right over here. Now for the models, I'm just going to select it as Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can select any another of your choice. Select the method as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that this message is generated. Now let's post it on a Discord. For that, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select it. For the event, you have to select it as send channel message. Markdown, or if you want to send HTML, select HTML. It is totally your choice. I'm going to select Markdown and click on this connect. Now it is asking for this webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, open your Discord, go towards this server name, then go towards this server settings. From the left hand of the side, go on this integration. So you're going to see the option of webhooks. So open this and click on this new webhook button. Once you click on this new webhook button, a webhook will appear with some name like this. So what you have to do is you just have to open the webhook which is going to appear, and then you have to select the page name. So what you have to do is you have to just name this webhook. So let's say I'm just going to name this webhook as gaming, and for the channel you have to select the channel in which you want to send this message. Click on this copy webhook URL and save changes. Now you simply have to paste the webhook URL right over here in your workflow, and for the message you have to enter the message with Gemini generated, but we're not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So now after mapping this, we're going to move on further. It is saying bot name and bot icon. So if you wish, you can definitely enter it, and same goes for the text to speech. You can select it according to your own choice and click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this channel message. So let's open our Discord, and we're going to go back, and you're going to see that yes, we have a new message right over here, and this is the same message with Gemini generated, and not only once but now every day this workflow is going to run at 12 p.m. Google Gemini is going to generate the tips and tricks daily, and we're going to post it on our Discord channel. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow. As you can see, some messages like this will be posted on my Discord channel every day without any manual intervention. So go and try this amazing automation for your own Discord server, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Further, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.